Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Telegram for privacy settings and passcode, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Telegram. Download and install the Telegram app. Launch the app once it's installed. Tap Start Messaging to begin the registration process. Enter your phone number, including your country code. Tap Next or Continue. Wait for a verification code to be sent to your phone via SMS. Enter the verification code in the app. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter your name. You can also add a profile picture if you wish. Now let's adjust your privacy settings. Go to the Settings menu, which can be accessed by tapping the three horizontal lines. Select Privacy and Security. Here, you can choose who can see your phone number. Set last seen to either everyone, my contacts, or nobody. Adjust profile photo visibility in the same way. Scroll down to phone number and select my contacts or nobody for enhanced privacy. Now, let's set up a passcode for added security. In the privacy and security settings, look for passcode lock. Tap on it and choose turn on passcode. Confirm your passcode to ensure it's set correctly. You can also enable Touch ID or Face ID for quick access if your device supports it. Make sure to remember your passcode, as losing it may lock you out of your account. Review your privacy settings regularly to stay updated on any changes. You are now fully registered with Telegram and have established your privacy settings and passcode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.